We're a specialty company with a niche business, and our marketplace is to professionals. And we're considered one of the big three players in the country, which is funny because the other two are much, much larger than we are, but they really focus on retail stores, and our focus is to professionals.
We offer family wages, we offer a full benefit package, we have a retirement package, and we offer health insurance, vacation, and holiday pay. So we really are committed to taking care of them and making sure they can support their family. As far as training, we are committed to, as soon as an employee comes in, we teach them the whole aspects of good manufacturing practices. In my order fulfillment, before they can pull anything out of a cupboard, they have to know the specific Latin, because there's a lot of Latin that sounds the same or even looks the same until you look at the ending. So we've spent a tremendous amount of time testing them, because anything they study they have to test on and sign off on. The
bar was set very high as far as what the Food and Drug Administration was requiring of our industry.
When we first had this opportunity to work with the grant, we had to really sit down and look at our business and say, now that we have these regulations coming in, where can we go? We really felt it was so massive, and I could not hire, if I was not able to hire these consultants that I hired, which I could not afford at that point at all, we were going to have to change our business. And we would have changed it to a distribution type of herbal company. Totally different. We could really hire anyone for that and not give anyone any skills, and we probably would not have been in the family wage category that we are, because we've brought 5 upper level positions into this company versus just a minimum wage type of position. We don't have a minimum wage position in this building.
It helped us bring in consultants to interpret the 21 CFR 111, which is the GMP guidelines by the FDA. And it allowed us to train our managers so they can, in turn, can become trainers in their departments.
Just applying for the grant, I learned so much in such a short period of time. And I really believe in some ways it helped me outline my business as far as knowing what I wanted, where I wanted the employees to go, what was good for them to make the job more, the business more successful. And in working with Lane Workforce Group, they've always been there for me supportive-wise. They answer every email that I need, and without them, we wouldn't be at the level that we're at today.
It made us start evaluating our business as far as where our employees came from, where our downline came from, where we were sourcing our raw plant material, and we realized that 75% of our raw plant material, the farmers that we contract with, are here locally in the valley and in the Northwest. And then we have 110 other businesses that we impact that we also purchase from that are regular suppliers. And that most of our employees live here rural. They're in rural areas, and that without our business they would have to either be commuting a long distance, which is difficult right now for people because of the gas, cost of gas. And also it's allowed us to give people an opportunity to have a career that otherwise wouldn't. These are people that came to us untrained, and now they have a specialty that they take great pride in what they do.
So I feel that this workforce grant is something that has saved me and been able to keep me in the state of Oregon, because it's been so beneficial for me to be able to compete with someone else who's in North Carolina or someone else who's in California who doesn't have some of the additional problems that I may have here staying in the state. So I'm very beneficial to the workforce grant in being able to let us be competitive enough to grow and stay here, because it's definitely helped in keeping me in Oregon.